Hey Flag fans, I'm Gray, and welcome back to Flag Facts. Today's show is all about the flag of America's Bluegrass state, Kentucky. Kentucky is a state in the southeastern region of the country and is surrounded by Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio to the north, West Virginia and Virginia to the east, Tennessee to the south, and Missouri to the west. By size, Kentucky is the 37th largest state, and with a population of around 4.5 million people, it comes in as the 26th most populated. While Kentucky was admitted to the Union as the 15th state in June of 1792, it did not adopt an official state flag until 1918. Here it is, the official state flag of Kentucky. The design consists of a blue background, and at the center sits the Kentucky state seal. Above the seal are the words Commonwealth of Kentucky, and below the seal is a wreath made from goldenrod, the Kentucky state flower. The state seal itself was adopted in 1792 and features two men shaking hands, framed by the state motto, "United we stand, divided we fall." Popular belief suggests that the man on the left, clad in buckskin, is the famous Kentucky pioneer, Daniel Boone, and the man on the right, wearing a swallowtail coat, is the well-known Kentucky politician Henry Clay. However, that is not actually the case. Instead, the figures are simply symbolic representations of a frontiersman and a statesman. While the state flag design was officially approved on March 26, 1918, the first physical copy of the flag did not appear until 1920. And even then, it was hastily constructed for the closing ceremony of Camp Zachary Taylor in Louisville. Following the ceremony, Kentucky's Adjutant General felt the flag could use some creative improvement and sought the help of several local artists. However, nothing ever came of their discussions, and the original flag was then given over to the Kentucky Historical Society. A few years later, Adjutant General William Jones Jr. contacted the society for information on the state flag. A local art teacher named Jesse Cox Burgess was then commissioned to create a drawing based on the wording of the State Flag Act. The drawing was then used as a template from which 3 new flags were manufactured. One of those 3 flags later went on to be used during the inauguration of Herbert Hoover. In 1962, with the help of the Adjutant General's office and artist Harold Collins, the design was finally standardized by the legislature, giving us the flag we know today. And there you go, that's everything you need to know about the Kentucky state flag. So what'd you think? Is it a good design? Do you think it's time for more creative improvements? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're down there, be sure to like and subscribe for more flag-related content just like this. If you're in the market for a Kentucky flag or any other flag, head on over to FlagandBanner.com for all your flag flying needs. And as always, thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time on Flag Facts.